guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful mirror. This is the finished look. If you are interested, please keep watching. For this project, I used those mini bowls from Dollar Tree. They look so cute to me. I also used poster board, 12 inches baking pan, 12 inches glass mirror, and small mirrors for details. The first step is to prepare circular strips. Those strips are used for mounting the mini bowls later on. I first drawed two big circles on the board. The radius of these two circles are 8.5 and 12.5 inches. And then I used an electrical scissor to cut them off from the board. The next step is to prepare long sticks. Those sticks are used for holding those circular strips. The length of the stick is around 11 inches, and 12 of them were prepared. The next step is to lay out the sticks and the circular strips. I used both E6000 and hot glue gun to glue the sticks onto the pan and also the circular strips on the sticks. The next step is to lay out those mini bowls and glue them on the circular strips. This is the first finished layer, and this is the second layer. Then I took it out for spray painting. And then I added some small craft mirror to give the big mirror a modern and chic look. The last step is to glue the 12 inches glass mirror onto the pan. I would also suggest use a lot of glue so when you hang it on the wall, it will not fall into parts. Here is the final product. This mirror turns out so beautiful. It definitely stands out in my hallway. I really love it. If you also like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help to grow my channel. This is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.